Well, some experts are saying the next 45 days are going to be the most critical for the U.S. financially. And for a look at how the stock markets are doing, we are joined by Jonathan Murray from UBS Financial. Hey, Jonathan, nice to see you.
Hi, Jen. I wish I were there with you.
I wish you were too. One day soon, hopefully. So
Yes.
Why the next 45 days? Why is this the big benchmark?
Because I think it will be really important to see if we can slowly get the economy back up and running. The economy has ground to a halt. Airlines have cut flights by 98%. Oil is in a free fall. The price of oil went to $17 a barrel. The good news is that that's going to mean cheaper gas for us at the pump, but it's a sign that there is zero demand out there in the economy for traveling, for business, and unless we start picking things up, the economy is going to go into a very deep recession. We're in a recession right now, and I would expect that for the next quarter or two, but the next 45 days, as you said, is going to be key to determine whether we can kind of jumpstart this economy.
Well, I've even been hearing from some small business owners who've said that really the next 2 weeks are going to determine for them whether they're actually going to be able to reopen at all.
Yeah, we've had unprecedented fiscal stimulus and monetary stimulus, which has been great. I mean, unbelievable amounts of money that the Federal Reserve and the Treasury has sent to us and to small businesses in particular. But that's a Band-Aid. That's not going to allow them to continue operating forever. It's certainly important for now, but the next step, once we get hopefully an antidote and a therapy, and there's some good signs on that, that's one of the reasons that the market was up so much this week, is that companies are really coming together and finding possible solutions. Gilead Pharmaceuticals had a really good therapeutic test result this past week. That stock was up 10% yesterday on the news. It's a really good sign. Maybe a vaccine will come sooner rather than later. That's the most important thing that the market needs, is some positive signs there on the healthcare side. But until then, we just have to try to get as many folks back to work safely as we possibly can.
Right, and you talked about that Band-Aid for small businesses, but for some small business owners, it's a Band-Aid box that's empty. They did not receive that PPP money that had been promised to them. And so what advice do you have for these small businesses that are really struggling right now?
It's really, really hard, not only for small businesses, but for people out there that are unemployed or furloughed. If you have, I typically suggest a bucket strategy where your liquidity bucket is there for emergency purposes. If you have some cash, if you need to call your credit card company to get forgiveness on a loan, on a mortgage, on rent, I am hearing that there's lots of leeway there between your lenders. So call your lender, see if you can get forgiveness on a mortgage payment or a rent payment for now. Fill up that cash bucket if you can, just to live on for an emergency for a month or two if need be. But have faith. I do think that these checks truly are coming out. If we believe the Federal Reserve and the Treasury, they're stating that there were some hiccups, but that money is on the way. So hang in there. I know it's really hard. Winston Churchill, during World War II, I'll never forget, he said, it's one thing to say carry on, it's another to do it.
Boy, isn't that the truth.
Sadly, we're all in that situation.
Well, I'm going to leave you with something that will make you chuckle, okay?
Sure.
My 16-year-old last night was scrolling through Instagram, and she must have seen something about the stimulus money, and she dropped her phone, and her eyes got this big, and she says, "Mom, is the president giving me $500? I said, no, baby, it doesn't work that way.
Unbelievable. Leave your job and you'll get unemployment plus $600 a week. Why work if you don't have to?
Well, she thought she was getting the $500 tax credit for being the child.
There you go. Yeah, there's a lot of money out there. Now, how we're going to pay for this down the road is another story. Trillions and trillions in deficit and debt, but we'll leave that for another day.
That's a conversation for another day. Jonathan, great to see you. Stay healthy, okay?
Thanks, Jen. You too.